Yo, it'll be short video. Another error on the K1C Creality printer. So it's a 508 error. Come on, zoom in. See, 508 is a storage space usage. So it shows the only 1 GB left. So thing is that it's normally not the problem. There's no problem with the files, how much you got the files printed on. But it's actually the biggest space what overtakes is actually the timeline videos. And how to delete that, it's easy. So it's very easy. You go on the computer, and then in here on the Creality slicer there's a time-lapse videos, and as you can see these are all what's actually taking your overtaking space. So just click, select them all and delete, and then you're gonna delete them all. You're gonna delete from your printer also. So if you're not using the timeline videos, I would recommend to go into the settings, here, settings, click on camera settings, and disable the time-lapse photography videos, because it's all the times, every time when you're printing is making a time-lapse video, which you don't need it if you're not making it for the some. See, video list is empty because I deleted them all on the computer, as you can see. And also the error code is gone as well. So it's all simple and easy. Thank you for the watching. I'll see you in the next videos.